Welcome, guys. Part two. Let's go. I said, come on, guys, hit that like button. Don't itch. Right away. Not itching. Who the here? More work, guys. The work never end. If you never there on today, you don't know what you did there. But big up yourself, same way. We do some work, nearly 2 hours, just in a CXC class. I said, I'll come burn some time. What you say? See what I go on the YouTube, TikTok. Not TikTok, the YouTube live. How long I touch base on TikTok? Yo, 2 and 1/3 minus 5/6 divided by 2 1/4. More fraction. That one here were 3 marks. Who up? To go on this homework, guys. Those who can't catch it, them can catch it playback. You know what I mean? So it's a calculate the exact value of 2 and 1/3 minus 5/6 divided by 2 1/4. 2 weeks to exam, guys. Guys, if you want to get a straight A in maths, you have to sleep it. You have to wake up with maths by your mind. And when I watch football, I watch basketball, you have to think about maths. No matter. Yeah, just think about the formula. What if, fraction, everything. All right, let's go, guys. Calculate the exact value of 2 and 1/3. Let's begin. So basically, plug in my pen, all right? Pen plug out. All right, let's go. So we're going to work the top first, right? And then we divide by 2 1/4. So 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3. And then we'll go minus 5/6. Could just convert this from now. So 2 times 4 plus 1. It look longer, right? Sharply, that's if you longer. Alright, good. Alright, let's go. So 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 1, 7/3. Right? And then we have minus 5/6. Now, once you're adding and subtracting, we must bring them to a common denominator, right? So 2 4s 8 and 1, 9. So that will be 9/4. So we set it up nice and easy now. Make we match it up. So 7/3, we work that part first. Minus 5/6. Now the LCM would have been 6. That's the lowest number that can go into 3 and 6 without a remainder. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So 7 times 2 would be 14. 6 into itself 1. So we multiply this. So this works out to 9/6. So it's nice and easy, guys. Remember, this is the top part, right? So the 9/6 is going to be divided by the 9/4. And that would give us our answer. Not minus, but divide. The line means to divide. So it's 9 over 6 times 4 over 9. Of course, 9 cancel 9, and then can use 2 to reduce it. We got 2/3. That will give you 3 marks if you are able to do that in the examination. Alright? So you work the top first, and then we divide by 2¼ Guys, there's so many ways CXC can set up the question. The same fraction, right? They can use bracket, they can use order of operation style, they can use the style here with them divide, they can bracket off some, they can square. So don't take the fractions for granted. Alright? One year CXC brings some proper fraction and students were angry. Like it's like if do something like this. Like if that's a 2/3 plus a quarter times 3/5. And students were so angry that it was so easy because everyone was expecting the difficult something. So them change it. Them change it up and students were angry. So guys, don't come in mind and say, I want to see simultaneous equation, I want to see this. Just come with the mindset to say whatever question is there, you're going to do it. Alright? Alright, look at that one here now. We say a table shows the following rate of exchange. US $1 is equal to Jamaica $70.50. Right now, one US 150 Jamaican dollars. The country are gone to dog, you know. You know we share paper this, but at this time, this was the rate. That to show you how Jamaica gone. Alright, them say convert 2,000 Jamaican dollars to US, giving your answer to 2 decimal places. How that were 3 marks? I don't understand that, you know. How that were 3 marks? That's crazy. So convert 2,000 Jamaican to US. Good night, Shabik. I don't see the answer yet, you know, guys. I don't see the answer yet. So it's a convert 2,000 Jamaican to US, giving your answer to 2 decimal places. Everybody tired and gone sleep. So if 1 US is equal to Jamaican $70.50, what would 2,000 Jamaican be in US? What principle you would use? So basically, all you have to do is just simply divide by the 70, right? Then punch that in my calculator. So we have 2,000 divided by 70.5. So that will work out to $28 US. And 30, call it 37 because we have 6 8, so that's 37. And it is set to 2 decimal places. So that will be 28.37. Nevertheless, that would have worked 3 marks. I don't know why, but yeah. So it's $28.37. All right. This one says the mean average mass of 11 men on the West Indies cricket team is 70 kilograms. Calculate the total mass in kilogram of the 11-member team. The captain of the team, oh, that's one different part. So the mean mass of 11 men of the West Indies cricket team is 70 grams. Calculate the total mass in kilogram of the 11-member team. How do you approach that? So basically, this is the mean average mass, right, of 11 men. And if the average mass is basically 11, is 70 kilogram, and it's 11 of them, the aggregate score would be simple, right? In terms of just multiplying the 70 by 11. That would give us our answer. So that was 770. So 70 times 11. So this would be 770 kilogram. And this is for this one here of the 11-member team, right? It says calculate, I have to see, this one after this one. So it says calculate the total mass in kilograms of the 11 kilogram. The captain of the team, oh, this part is different, full stop here, so. The captain of the team weighs 90 kilogram. Calculate the mean average mass of the other 10 members of the team. And that would give you a total of 4 marks. Let's see if nobody can manage it in the comment section. Good night, Marcy Nemard. Active again, guys. Remember me telling you, I'm a hard worker, guys. It's almost impossible to keep up with me. When you're not ready, you get to a straight A when you tell me. All right? I'm putting in the work so one can do it, but you have to put in the work as well. And post this by my status now, because now people don't know so many of the we're active, guys. We're active. We're out there. Who's up on my team? You know it already. Go on work we are putting in. Just in a class and I will admit. I'm checking the comment section and see what go on. All right. Sheik says 680. If you calculate the mean average mass of the other 10 members, right? Notice the average mass was 70 kilogram, right? So that not finish. Go have a juice, me a beat, guys. I don't know anything more. Blend up, blend up. Because we have to have strength, because it's not easy. Tabi, keep not finishing up. Finish it, man. Let's go, let's go. Hey, come here alone there. Finish it. Ah, that is it. Well done, well done. So guys, think about it. If the total mass of all 11 of them with the 770. Captain Big. So they take off him 90 kilogram, right? That will give us 680 kilogram. But guess what? You now have 10 men. So that's a trick to it. You now have 10 men. So it will be 68 kilogram. All right. All right. Here's a number 2 question. Simplify this one. 8x to the 5th times 3x squared divided by 12x to the 4th power. Let's go. What's the answer for this, guys? Simplify this one. If you watch the playback, pause the video and try before the video, the solution. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You want to see the answer flying it, you know. Check again. Let me check again. All right, Breeze, 2x to the 4th power. Kimberly said 2 times 3. Repeat, Kimberly. You put in some work, guys. I could put in some work. All right. If you watch the playback, make sure you pause the video and try it, you know. So we have multiply. I did it the long way. So we can multiply 8 times 3, which is 24. Now the rule says when you're multiplying and the base is the same, we add the powers. So we're going to add 5 plus 2. And then, of course, you have 2x to the 4th. So this works out to 24. 5 plus 2 would be 7 over 12x to the 4th. What does the rule say when we're dividing? We divide the numbers normally, but then we subtract. So 12 into that would go 2 times, and of course we have x to the 7th minus 4. Pick up Gerardo, school friend for life. Yeah, man. Pick up the entire excelsior. Yeah, so that will be 2x to the 3rd power, right? I did saw that in the comment section. Big up, big up, big up. Good job. What about this one, guys? It says now, if m is equal to 3, n is equal to minus 4, calculate the value of mn plus n squared. 3 marks for this one as well. Let's see if you guys are able to get it. Everybody asleep. You can make everybody tired from today. 2 hours to do today, you know. Nothing wrong, guys. We can nothing wrong. We do what we have to do. What we do today, we now. We do tomorrow, don't. Yeah, get it over with. Just keep working non-stop. The reward is there. It's much easier to pass maths this year than to do it next year. Next year, you have to put in all of the work again, all over. Because every time it's a brand new exam. It's a brand new exam every time. So, you know, the preparation thing come down. So work out that, guys. If m is equal to 3, n is equal to minus 4, calculate the value of mn plus n squared. Work out that one. This one is fairly easy. This is what we call substitution, right? So all you're gonna do is substitute the value. All right, so I see 4. What go on tax that? I see Angel Vlog say minus 4, Kimberly say positive 4. So which is it, guys? Is it positive 4 or negative 4? 30 seconds to solution. Nobody else not trying. 4 people. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're gonna substitute the value, right? So m is 3, n is minus 4. So it's gonna be 3 times minus 4. Look carefully now. Plus n squared. Now n is minus 4. And we square it. So 3 times 4, that's minus 12. Negative times negative, positive. So that's positive 16. Now the 16 is bigger. Guys, we have to bear them thing in mind, you know. The 16 is bigger. So we subtract, keep the sign of the bigger one. So it's actually positive 4. Alright. Well, go on, my Grenada friend, you good? Big up, man. Big up, big up. Much love from Jamaica. Much love. All right, let's look at this one, guys. Solve for this one. Big time. Solve for this one, guys. If you have half x minus 1 equal half x. Now this half and this x is attached. I don't know why it looks like it is so far, you know. What is half x? Work out that one. This is a tough one. Well, it's not really tough, but yeah, you have to Medz it the right way to get it. When I did the class, students were able to get it though. So let's see if we can get it on the live as well now, guys. Remember, if you share it, you know, guys, so people, if nobody, somebody in Ghana, them better than an eagle, they can forward on and do some work. That's how you go. Yeah, man. Just beat a 2 hours class and I'm here. So there's no excuse. Tomorrow, me have prep in the morning. We have workshop to go on my school. So, you know anything already. Loan work we are putting in, you know. Undeniable. Now wait for the answer in the comment section. If you are watching playback, try the video as well. Alright. All right, Shabik says 6. Let's see for 6 now. All right, guys. Ready? Ready? Let's go, guys. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Big up everybody with the panic. You know, so when I'm tired, you know, but guess what? Maths require a lot of time. Lots of time it require. So as a teacher, I lead from the front, you know, put in the work. All right. So Mrs. 6, Mrs. negative 20. I see now the answer flying. How do we approach this? Now, if you look, we have like terms, right? So this is a 2/3 x and this is a half x. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna minus half x from both sides. So it's gonna be 2/3 x minus half x minus 1 equals 0. But we're not done there. We need to get rid of this minus 1, right? We need to get rid of this minus 1. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So this equal to 0 now, and this is a plus 1. So let's subtract a half from 2/3. Let me show that step here, because sometimes students don't like fraction, you know. You find the LCM, right? LCM would have been 6 3 into 6, that goes 2 times. So you multiply by 2. 2 is 4. 2 into that, 3. So we get 1, 6, right? So this becomes 1, 6. X is equal to 1. Medz it, guys. Medz it. Oh, I did saw somebody put x equals 6. Somebody put -1. Shashaki, I think you got it, I saw the 6. So now, remember, this 6 is being divided, right? So we got times by 6. Big up Shakib, you got it. So it's times 6. And remember, what you do to one side, you do to the next side. So x is equal to 6. I could see if it actually works. So we have 2/3 times 6 minus 1 equal half times 6. Agree? That's how it would have set up. So 3 into this 1, 3 into 6, 2, 2 is 4. So 4 minus 1, half of 6 is 3. Isn't 4 minus 1 3? That's the definition of an equation, right? So 3 is equal to 3. Mother road. Cargo. Cargo, that's a mother road. All right, big up on yourself, guys. Big up on yourself. All right. And guys, you can share it to them friend too, Not wrong if them get a hold of the channel. All right, a mad thing. Process that, guys. Not many persons is responding though. Is it that you guys are tired or these type of questions not your favorite? But remember, guys, maths you don't get to pick and choose what you like. CXE bring some questions and you just have to do them to the best of your ability. So, we have to have the mindset that we say anything forward on it. That's why I have marathon and anything there. Somebody just text me and say if them can register for marathon. Yes. I have 8 days leave. Guys, me give a good deal, 15,000 for 18 days. But when I make that deal pass, So I just 8 days leave now. And tomorrow, after tomorrow, 7 days. It's almost impossible for me to do all of my marathon questions on YouTube. There's just not enough time. As remember, so many have the classes them. So I want to join the marathon, man, and thousand a day. Right, so a company buys calculator for 70 each and sell them for 110 each. Calculate the profit made by selling one calculator. Today, somebody on the live there says, sir, why I do consumer arithmetic? Because it's one of the most likely topic to come in section 1. This remember said this is one of the most realistic topic, guys. So them want to know say about profit, loss, wages, salary, discount, all of them something there. See calculator, guys. I hope you buy one calculator, Get used to the calculator from now. What's the profit? Nobody no type yet. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You like me go live on TikTok tomorrow, Yeah, me tripod at school. Oh, paper 3, I got dropped before. Guys, me just get the date to paper 3. So it'll be the 6th of the 5th. So paper 3 actually a drop before paper 2. My. My. Alright. Let me see what I go on in the comment section. Alright, let me see $40. Rockers say 40. Sutani, you the back on the live. This one say minus 70. This one, if a profit, it can be minus. Profit can minus. Or a typo error. Alright, so everybody has a $40. Make us see now. So a company buys a calculator for $70 and sell it for $110 each. Calculate the profit bid by selling one calculator. Very straightforward. 110 minus 70 equal to $40. Alright. Number 2 say express your answer in one above as a percentage of the cost price. Anybody who never know if you learn, anybody who never learned to do this, they must know if you do this from my life. Express your answer in one above as a percentage of the cost price. Well, we are all a Medz, guys. Well, we are all a Medz. Balram, Balbula. All right. Mickey, see your answer. Big up yourself. Let's see if anyone get the same answer. Shakib get the same. Shabik get the same answer. All right, it's only 2 marks. We should be able to get it, guys. So the profit, as I showed you in previous live, is profit over the cost price, right? They deliberately said the cost price. So look out for that. What was the cost price? So $70, right? So the profit was 40 over 70. Somebody even dip on Zoom. Always dip on Zoom, guys. We never left off a Zoom. Guys, I have to use up Zoom. I pay them 500,000 a year to use them platform. So I always dip on Zoom. All right, so 57%. It's actually 57.1, but yeah, can round it up to 57 as the nearest whole number. They didn't say that though, but yeah. On to 3. Go back to a block. On to 3, guys. Them say the company offers 18% discount on the calculators to students as shown in the advertisement below. Guys, if we now have a calculator, gotta show our sign by a calculator. So at 3 now. Go small it up a bit. The company offers 18% discount on calculators to students as shown in the advertisement below. So see there, special offer for students, 18% discount on calculators. Everybody must Medz the heading. I could Medz the question now. A student bought one calculator. Calculate the discount on the purchase. A student bought one calculator. Calculate the discount on the purchase. Bear in mind that the selling price is 110, and they're offering 18% discount. 18% discount. All right, 18% discount. Let's go back down to the question. If you're just joining, the selling price is $110. I've kept tomorrow, guys. And of course, the discount. Just show my lower school this. Show them discount, simple interest, depreciation, tax, appreciation. No, I'm gonna show them appreciation it. Appreciation next. I'm gonna show them wages and salary. Our thing na normal, you know, guys, and a joke thing. Work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. I'm going in the chat and see what I go on. If you watch the playback, guys, make sure you try the question then before. Alright, so I'm see $19.80. Friend from Grenada. Chantel Morgan, definitely Jamaican that, you know. Mickey get it as well. Taxter got it. 4 persons got that. Alright, I can work it out, guys. Because when you have a calculator, you have to work out this. To work out the price. So the discount would have been 18. Notice they said the discount and the purchase. They don't want how much the customer pay, but they want the actual discount. So 18%. I'm alright. So it's 18% of 110. Let's see if we can one shot on my calculator. 18% of 110. So that works out to $19.80. So that's the discount amount. This is not what the customer will pay. That's just the discount. Sometimes students tend to mix up the question. The price paid for the calculator. All right. So you see it, how much the price you pay for the calculator. So the question actually have the 2 part to it. It want the discount and it also want how much was paid. So work out one part first and then, so you see that what will happen, guys, if you can work out that part here and get your $19.80. It goes scoop. Join the marathon, guys. Join the marathon. That's the discount amount. How much would the customer pay for the actual calculator after the discount? That's what they want. After the discount, how much would the customer pay? All right. Very simple, right? Because we know that the original price is 110 minus $19.80. So I see in the comment section $90.20. Very straightforward, right? I like that one. All right, let's move on. A customer can buy a stove and hire purchase. Who do hire purchase for them SBA topic? Big up to Tanya Smith. A customer can buy a stove and hire purchase by making a down payment of $500 and repaying the balance in 24 equal monthly installments. If the total cost of the stove and hire purchase is $4,064, calculate the amount of each monthly installment. Notice them capitalize each. Very important, right? Very important why they capitalize. Them don't want to miss that keyword each. So them do it, So them do it. A customer can buy a stove and hire purchase by making a down payment of $500 and repaying the balance in 24 equal monthly installments. If the total cost of the stove and hire purchase is $4,064, calculate the amount of each monthly installment. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I want to see the answer in the comment section. 3 marks. Would you be able to get full marks from this question? I think everyone should. Pretty straightforward, right? Go in the comment section again. So a customer can buy a stove and hire purchase by making a down payment of $500 and repaying the balance in 24 installments. 24. So if the total cost of the stove and hire purchase is $4,064, calculate the amount paid monthly. We have to do that one now, guys. Can't waste no more time. Medz. Exam is upon us. There's no time to joke, right? Serious business this, guys. So what we're gonna do is subtract the 500, right? Poor people know about this. Have to make a down payment. Pan quotes. Quotes now, hey, one thing, big up quotes. To me get all that without a dollar, Alright, so we subtract this. Now, if we're gonna pay 24 equal monthly installments, we need to divide it by 24 to know how much we're gonna pay each month, right? And that is $148. So people are paying for carrying, guys. Of people out there are drive bins and I make payment. Nothing is wrong with that. Monthly installment. All right. So every month they would pay $148.50. I have more questions. See there? Simultaneous equation. 5 marks. Let's go. This was a number 4. All right. Guys, you come make more people wake up, man. The life I get more active. Yeah, that me realize say chat a load slow for true. Cause sometimes after me do it, me I see the answer, me I say, what go on? Young Q, big up yourself. Chantel Morgan, big up yourself. Taxter, and people are regular people. Shanice Rose, big up yourself as well. You got it as well. Yeah. Building the confidence before exam, guys. Test out skill. So we do it, So we do it. Come like later I get more people that come on the live. I know some people not share the live, You don't know what go on. No. You have some people number, I mean, I see them post up on them status. Jaja. Nah, help out the youths them guys, nah, help out the youths them. What's the value of X? What's the value of Y? Me in the live chat. They might get it to No, what the live actually. Start today the live is active real time. It alone so. YouTube must have said too much of you, Mr. Bennett. To make you want too much out of life. Them live guys are one day before exam, some people go find them Yo! Alright, so it a load man. Lynch say X is that, Y is that. So Tanya said that as well. So both of you got the same answer. Oh, that one I pick. Tomorrow I pick. Tomorrow I pick. Pep marathon. Oh, so guys, we're on to day 5 with the pep marathon. Now we're going on to day 11. God is good. God is good. Big up everybody will support me. Support has been so good. I really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. Because when I take nothing for granted, you know. It's my work, guys. It's my bread and butter. Well done, Mickey. Them my Blake say 5 and 10. I don't know how you get it. Everybody else had said 2 and 1. So I don't know. Current treat now, simultaneous equation. Right? Alright, so I'm not too long work on simultaneous equation in the earlier, right? That means you know what that means, guys. If simultaneous equation come, all of my students supposed to can get it. Same thing for the subscribers. Yeah. And guys, remember I said you have to watch the video too, you know. The advertisement video. Alright, my government is multiply this by 5 and this by 1. I really like elimination method, you know. Students like it too. So you can multiply everything by 5. 5 times 3, 15x. 5 times minus y, that's minus 5y. 5, 25. Everything by 1 now. 1 times 2, 2x. 1 times 5x, 1 times 5y rather, and then 1 times 9. Notice we have the same number in front of these, right? Coefficient is the same, which is 5. And that's what we want. By adding, because 1 is negative, 1 is positive, we can get rid of y. So we just literally add the entire equation. 15 plus 2, 17. Negative 5 plus that, 0. 25, see, I remind you just add like terms. So 25 plus that, 34. Me see where them get it, me see where them get the 2 now, you know. Me see where them get the 2. X are 2 for 2. Because 17 can go into 34 2 times. So you see that. So x is equal to 2. But how do we find y from here? Y is a crooked letter. So I'm going to use the second equation, 2x plus 5y equal to 9. Because I know that x is 2, I'm going to put anywhere I see x, I'm going to substitute 2. So 2, let's go. 2 times 2, that's 4. Plus 5y is equal to 9. And of course, we're going to minus 4 from both sides, which is the opposite. So this gives us 5. I feel ask my technician why the screen jumps sometimes. I think because the pen will activate so it said if you can scroll too. You don't want it, just want if you can write alone. Ask me general to assist me. So X are 2, Y are 1. Alright, Taxter. Big up, big up, big up, big up. So guys, make sure so everybody get them here upon the examination. Alright, let's look at this one. It said Amber was paid X dollars for a baby sitting job. Pearl was paid $24 more than Amber. Write an expression to represent the amount of money paid to Pearl. Atrocious gaming. Big up yourself. I said, everybody ready for exam? I know if you're not ready, guys. I know if you're not ready. So it says, write an expression to represent the amount of money paid to Pearl and also the total amount of money paid to Amber and Pearl was $84. Write an equation X represent the information and also determine the value of X. And that would give us 4 marks. All right. Yeah, man, let's go and get ready, man. Let's go and get ready. We can't wait to celebrate today. Every year, I say that and students think a joke. We can't wait to celebrate today. It's gonna be a joy. Just go and put in the work, find the energy, push yourself to the limit. Just continue preparing. Don't even think about the day. Just say, man, learn more new things every day. Learn new things, man. Practice old things. That kind of situation. All right, so let me say x plus 24. All right, that makes sense to me, right? He said Amber was paid X dollars. So we know Amber was paid X dollars. Pearl was paid $24 more. So whatever Amber is paid X, we're gonna pay $24 more. So it will be X plus 24 as well, right? All right, so they said the total amount of money paid to Amber and Pearl was $84. Write an equation to represent this. And then for the final step, solve the equation. So if you want to write an equation, right, for both of them in terms of x, first one a Pearl x, next one a x plus 24. And to solve the equation now, we just group the like terms. So it would be x plus the 24 equal 84. So this will give us 2x plus 24 equal to the 84, right? Solve for x now. So we subtract 24 from both sides. So 2x is equal to 60. Well, so now we divide by 2. So x work out to $30. So I could check it if it makes sense, right? So that means it per x, right? No, that's Amber. So Amber get $30 and the one I get 54 because I'm supposed to get $24 more. That makes sense to me because when you add this, you get the 84. All right. That makes a lot of sense to me. All right. It says solve for x. Solve for x, where x is a real number. What do you guys get? All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Everybody must finish that now. Check out the comment section. X are 2. All right, let's go. So we want to get x by itself, so we can either work on the left hand side, right hand side, it no matter which one, right? Correct with the x on the left hand side. So because this is positive, so we find minus 5x. So this is a minus x minus 5x. Still I have the plus 8, right? Put it step by step. Less than or equal to 2. Now we need to get rid of this, so we minus 6 from this side. So this would be minus x minus 5x less than or equal to, why may I have 6 as 8? So this is 8, right? So this now become minus 6. So this becomes negative 6x less than or equal to minus 6. When we divide in by a negative, we have to change around the sign, right? Did you guys do that? So it's going to be x greater than 1. Because the negative will cancel negative, positive cancel, less than or equal to rather. So I'm going to draw that on a number line. Oh, they never tell me that. So x greater than or equal to 1. Alright, see them say it, yeah? Show your solution. So x greater than or equal to 1. May I have to just show you this, guys? So greater than or equal to 1, definitely we will go to the 1, put it over 1. Now the numbers that are greater than 1 is to the right in the number line, like 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 blah. Right? But this is supposed to be close. Why? Because it have a equal sign. So that means 1 is included in the solution. Alright? So that's x equal. So, and that's 1 mark to the graph. Alright? To this one, guys. Expand and simplify. 2x bracket x plus 5 minus 3 bracket x minus 4. See if we can match up the one. Let's see if we can match it up. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I know it's late, but guess what? We're there already. We're going to do some work. All right, I'm going to comment section. All right, so me say, so Tanya alone, Smith say 2x, 2 times 2. Oh, so may I assume so that a 2x square, yeah, 2x square plus 7x minus 12. Lynch say 2x square plus 7x plus 12. So basically one got minus, one got 12. Verona, Washington said 2x squared plus 7x minus 12. So both of you got minus, one person got positive. Interesting. Let's go through it, guys. Let's go through it. If you're not share the live yet, share it. All right, let's go. So we're gonna expand, that means we are multiply, right? So we're gonna multiply by 2x. So 2x times x, that would give us 2x squared. 2x times positive 5, 2, 5, 10. All right, and we'll put back with x. I'm going to use minus 3 now times the x minus 4. So negative 3 times that, minus 3x. Negative times a negative. Wouldn't that be negative 3 times a positive 12, right? So I saw someone with minus here, but it should have been positive. These are the only like terms, the 10x and the 3x, right? So it would be 2x squared. 10x minus that will give us positive 7x. And of course, this would give us positive 12. And that would be our answer. Good job, guys. Good job. Show it else. There. One more simplification. 3x squared times 4x cubed divided by 2x. When you guys work out this one, who there, who there, who there? Let's go, let's go. If you watch the playback, make sure you like the video. Make sure you share it same way, alright? Don't know anything, though. Mr. Bennett appreciate everybody who support him. We soon end, guys. We soon end. We soon end. And everybody have the stamina, you know. Yeah, one more page after this. Let me scroll up on that page. I think it's a blank page, you know. Oh no, no, not a blank page at all. It's a plus. Alright. So rewrite it. X plus 1 over 2 plus 5 minus x over 5. I think that's the last one, guys. So I'm going to shut them up fast. If you don't want to go on a bit. Let's see if we can finish long before 10. Six x squared. Oh, raised to the fourth power. Alright, let's go. So basically, we multiply 3 times 4. And of course, x squared, we add the powers, right? So that will be 2 plus 3 divided by 2x alone. So 3 4s are 12. Add that x to the fifth divided by 2x alone, right? So these are like 1. So 2 into that 6. And then, of course, 5 minus 1, 6x to the fourth power. Good job. Let's move on. Write as a single fraction in its lowest term. Write as a single fraction in its lowest term. Yeah, so Mr. Bennett never try helping you know, guys. You know, can't say that. All right, let's simplify this, guys. So we find our LCM once it's addition, right? Once it's a single as a fraction, we know so we keep the denominator, all right? So 2 into 10, that's 5 times. So we're going to multiply by 5. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 1, 5. 5 into itself, 1. 5 into 10, 2. So we are multiplied by 2, right? 2 times 5, that's 10. 2 times minus x, that's minus 2x. Group be like terms, so we are bring all our x's them. So 5x minus 2x plus 5 plus 10. All over 10. Why am I cancel the 10 like that? One time one left me. Right here. So this will be 3x plus 15. I'll keep back our denominator, which is 10. For a queer work, guys. Think like this, huh? Oh Lord. So it never ending. That made it never end. All right, factorize this. This is the last one. Wait, let me see. No, we're not do that one tonight. We're not Medz that one there, guys. I'm gonna do this as the last one. So the next slide, I'm gonna do a video on that. On TikTok, you want a people text me on join maths class. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. I factorize that one, guys. Guys, now if you sign up for us, now, guys, based on our go. All right, I'm going to the comment section and then we'll do solution. Guys, thank you guys so much. We'll share it. We'll come out, come participate, big up on yourself. Hope you guys get some rest. Later, I get time more people. I actually see how forward on. But you know, them say all good things come to an end at some point. All right, me see 4x squared minus 1. Me see 2x. Me see 2x equal to, I don't know what the equal sign for. I factorize this in, guys. Look how I'm going to solve. So. All right, so we take out the 4, right? And that will leave x squared minus 1. Hold on there. So that's what me move on. X squared minus 1. But this can factorize as well. So it would be x plus 1, difference of 2 squared. I've done that on my channel several times. All right. Somebody said when is the next live? I'm gonna try come on live tomorrow, guys. I don't know if it'll work out. I have workshop at my school, I have marathon for CXC, I have marathon for PEP. So you don't know, I have to try get rest in between. But that's my number. Don't know anything. So I get some rest now. I'm trying not to go to bed later than 10. Alright. So take care, guys, and respect. Alright, Washington. Yeah, man. Big up. We can't wait for your pass. Alright. So just go and put in the work, guys. Just go and put in the work. So, guys, everybody go get some rest now. Big up on yourself and much love wherever you're from. Thanks, everyone, for coming out. Alright. Bye. Take care. Yeah, man. Big up, everyone. Big up. Much love. Guys, no watch something. If I can come live, I will post all the videos. I have 1 day worth of marathon videos already. So I will definitely post them. If I can come live to get to do the videos. Alright? When I say gatekeep,